Okay, guys. Shein now. What the other one name? Temu. Shein and Temu.
My Jamaican, baby, my lady. You tell us you love we love you more. Every time you pick up your cell phone, the Isaacs family you adore. You keep on watching us more and more. Girl, I know you're sexy and you're beautiful. Me, I go buy a red ring, you and me be my beau. You and me be my beau. But you are my Jamaican, my Jamaican, my Jamaican, my Caribbean queen. Girl, oh, your skin so clean, oh, your skin so clean. Now you are my Jamaican, my Jamaican, my Jamaican, my Caribbean queen. Girl, oh, your skin so clean, oh, your skin so clean. And it's the festive time again, then I see it come and party with the Isaacs family, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we said if you like nice and party right and we drink the cranberry, all our vibes, yes. The Isaacs family, the best family. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification bell so whenever we upload a video you are the first one to get notified. So look here, guys. Shein now. What the other one name? Temu. Shein and Temu. Unboxing. I know much stuff, guys. Majority of the stuff are for the kids them, so I'm going to do a little unboxing and show you guys when we get. We're going to unbox Temu. Temu, yeah. Temu unpackaged. Let's see what this tells us. Alright. This is what. Mighty God, this. So this is supposed to be you put on the your phone. If you do a video or you take picture. Yeah, it just like a ring light. You just attach it on top of the phone and it take picture bright. If you do your video, come out really clean and pretty. Yeah, so we're gonna try this and see how well it works. Light right here, guys. Right here. Right, next package. This is what. So this did come small. This is a kids makeup set, but this come really small. The one big one we did order. Leia go vex. Alright, maybe she will love it. What's it? Okay, so this is a kids makeup set. So I hope she love it. Alright. Next one is what they mean again? Nails. What do you call them again? Oh, person. Guys, majority of them stuff here is for the kids them. This is a ear glow. What is this? This is what I'm not sure. So this is an ear glow and the wax stick. What else? What? You know, easy enough stuff here. Let's see. I hear one this. I hear you. So this is for Sophia. Alright. Alright. What else? What else we have here? Whoa, you can't bother. No, sir. A hot girl. Yes, sir. Hey. Alright. Alright. Hey. Ray. My hot daughters. This look small. Me did tell you say it was small. I told you so. I don't think this gonna fit you. I did told you so. Pause. We'd have to pause the camera and let she try, but it's okay. Let's see what else we have in here. Woo! Hey. My phone case. My phone case. I don't know, but me does love pink. Cute. I like with the butterfly, and it said everything will be all right. Let's see. All right. Hey, watch the people. Watch the people. It's cute and nice. I love it. Ooh. Love it. Nice. All right. So let's go into Shein package. Let's work with the small items. Let's see. Let's work with small items. What is this? Guys, my daughter don't easy, you know. She don't easy. Some look, what do you call it? Fandangle. Yeah, you can put them here. Alright. They're cute. Oh. They look cute. Can I get them? They look nice. Ooh. Nice. Alright. I don't want this video to be too long. So this is it's a chain or a foot ankle. I think it's a foot ankle. It's a foot ankle. Okay, next item. I think it's a screen protector for my phone. Yeah. How much come with it? It's only 2. Normally they give you 3. My screen protector, guys, for my iPhone. Yeah. It's only 2 come in there. Yeah, only 2. Alright. What's this? Let's move along. I don't know, I just fall in love with these. How do you want it? Let's go to the other one. Let's go. Yeah, put some food in. What is this? Give me this one. What is? More of them? Yeah. What I didn't order? What the hell? Watch your people. I didn't order so much. I only order one. So them send. Oh man. What is this? Watch it. Let me do with some screen protector. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. Hey. Alright, let's move along. Next item. Let's move along. Oh, I think my other one is shirt for my daughter. No, she loves pinky. Watch it. She fine enough so it will fit him. All this kind of look too big, but that crochet it will fit her. Cute and nice, yeah. Cute and nice. Alright. Next package. I'll have one and I'll get them here. Next package, people. Hurry up, I'm gonna cook my curry chicken back. Yeah, the best dressed one. You guys want best dressed. So me ordered a short shirt here from Sheldon. Yeah, you want to be too big. Like I right size, but it will fit him. Extra large. It's nice. So me ordered this for babe. I'm not really fussy, love simple. They look a simple shirt. Yeah, me just see it and like it, and me just order it for you. Alright, what else? Last but not least, one more package and alright. One more package to go. What is this? Hey! What is this? Oh, right away. So I think this is gonna go with this, I guess. Yeah. One look brighter than one. Look brighter than one. Guess it will work. It's nice. Oh, so this you're gonna wear this underneath it. This underneath it with the skirt. And your bag. Okay. So guys, this is the end of the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe to the Isaacs family. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We do appreciate each and every one of you. So bye for now, guys. I will see you in another upload. Bye y'all. Bye.